The most anticipated video is finally here. How are we making money on social media in 2018 and beyond? Let's jump right into it, shall we? The first thing you need to ask yourself is, what voice am I pale online with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, website? Doesn't matter, right? Are you the funny guy? Are you the one who loves tech? Are you the one who loves to deal with makeup? Are you the funny guy? Are you just a guy who's a researcher and wants to tell us about your findings and, things to do with climate change and all that, okay? Why that's important is so that your audience can identify with you and they know that, hey, if I want to know what's happening in the entertainment scene, the very latest, I'm sure if I go to this person's Twitter handle, nitapata all the information that I need. If I need to take a look at the new trends, that's where I need to go, okay? So this is how now guys get to link up with you. They know that this is who you are pale on social media. After that, now you know your voice. Lakini, are you consistent with the content that you're putting out there? You can't be posting today, then 2 weeks fly by. Someone comes and checks, hey, last time you tweeted was 2 weeks ago. Last time you posted a video was 1 month ago. You need to be consistent. That way, people know that anyway you are reliable and I will get what I need whenever I go here. There'll be a fresh video, okay? So that consistency and the work you put into it is really a lot of work and it takes time. That is how people will know that you are seriously doing this for the long haul. You're not just, fun and games. And even anyone who wants to push their products on your sites, knows that, okay, this person knows exactly what they're about. So that consistency, very key, and the right content. Don't also just put things just for the sake of putting things there. Is it in line with your voice? Is it in line with what you are always, discussing pale online? Once in a while, of course, you can go off script kiasi, just so maybe you can show diversity in your content, but stay true to the core message and the core voice that you're using pale online, okay? Higher. Now you have your voice. You've been consistently posting, yes, and you're putting in the work. The question now comes in, where am I getting these gigs? Where am I getting the gigs? Okay, so this is how it works. It is mostly agencies that will approach. I'll speak, from my personal experience, okay, and allow me to do that. Agencies such as you've got Squad Digital, DDB, Game Changer, Engage, who will be acting on behalf of the brand that wants to use you as an influencer. So they're kind of like the in-between, okay? They'll come and ask you, hey, we've seen your numbers, we're wondering, can you push this product for us for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month? It depends, okay? What are your rates? Nona. So if you get to a point where you're big enough and the clients, the agencies in this case, come to you direct, well and good. If you're starting out, this is what I say, there is no shame in you saying that, hi, my name is so-and-so, I'd like to work with you as an influencer. Whether it's through an email or just slide in their DMs. They're probably there online as well, okay? So that way that they know that you exist and this is what you're about. Hakuna ubaya kwenda pale na kujitambulisha ujulikane, sio? So that's how mostly that works. But influencers also are on the lookout for those people who need help online, and this is what you need to do as well. Say you've been, passing through pale Facebook, ukaona, there's this new company, they're saying they're a startup. Clearly, they are probably going to need help in creating awareness for whatever business they're in. They are the best people for you to approach and say, hey, my name is so-and-so, I'm a social media influencer, this is how my numbers are looking, I think I can be of service to you, and this is my rate card, okay? And be wise about it. Don't also start with too much money as a figure on your rate card. Understand that with a startup, they don't have money to spend. They probably have a very small budget even for digital, for social media, okay? So what you need to do is then see how you can probably start small on your rate so that you can establish a relationship with them. And once they see that enyewe, you've enabled us to get more likes, you've pushed our products and services out there, then they can now, or rather you are in a better position to go and even ask for more money. Unaona? So it's being smart about it, okay? So don't bother with these big brands. Let me tell you, for real, don't bother with these big brands. These big brands, they're already there. They have many, followers online. Honestly, they don't need us. They don't. They will only reach out on a particular project, reach out on a particular campaign, and that's it. Wale ambao wanahitaji usaidizi wako sana sana itakuwa wale startups. Ushanpata? Good stuff. All right. So talked about building your numbers online. It's also important, by the way. In fact, I had not touched on that, had I? So let me make you understand the numbers game, okay? Yes, for you to be a social media influencer, numbers muhimu, okay? Ya kwamba if on a personal level you're not able to command that audience of 2,000, 3,000 people, if they're not following you, if you're not getting hits on your website, then why should I come to you to ask you to push my product or my service? You get what I'm saying? Kama wewe mwenyewe huwezi jifanyia, basi utanifanyia vipi mimi kama kampuni? So the numbers is to show that this is my strength here online. This is, my followership. So I know that the minute I drop this information, they are going to pick it up. They're going to buy your product and your service. Okay? So constantly look at ways in which you can build your numbers. And please be warned, don't buy followers. Don't buy, likes. Do people buy likes, I guess? Don't do that, because now companies are looking at, it's not even about, 20,000 people retweeted. It's the impressions. Real human beings interacting with you, actually engaging with you, and that, human to human touch. And that translates now to them actually buying into the product or the service, okay? So don't get into that whole buying bots and everything. Haitakusaidia. Cool? So in a nutshell, because it's a lot, I know. And like I said, it takes time. Build your numbers, okay? Know who you are online. Know who to speak to in terms of getting the business, okay? And constantly and consistently churn out the content pale online, and the right content for your audience, okay? I hope I've been of help. I think those are all the notes that I had on this. And oh yes, very important. If you are going to get someone to come on board and help you, it's an added advantage, okay? That means that if it's you and your friend, and say both of you have decided, okay, we are going to use your page, yeah? Like in this instance, my page, to be the one that we're going to try and get people to follow and everything. Remember, working together with you, lakini tumekubali ni page yangu ndo tunajenga, for instance. Basi mtaweza kusaidiana. There's going to be that constant supply, okay, of content to that page. Even when you're asleep, someone else is working. They sleep, you're working. You understand? So someone can step in, help you. Someone can go even look out for ways in which mnaweza pata biashara pamoja. A word of caution though, all right? Just because social media is booming, and yes, boys and girls are there making a little bit of money, do not drop out of school, say that to hell with my degree course, I am going to be a social media influencer. And this is by no way saying that kuwa influencer ni kitu mbaya. I'm just saying, kama uko shule, mwanzo, stay in school, maliza shule, haya. Alafu sasa, kama you want it as a full-time job, ingia kwenye social media influencer jobs, okay? I wish you all the best. I hope I've been of help. Until next time, subscribe.